Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to another unboxing episode of Diecast Replicas. So today we have the very popular Nissan Datsun 510 that is being custom designed by Kaido House and released by Mini GT as a collaboration model. So this particular model is basically designed by a designer called Jun Imai from Kaido House, who is a custom diecast designer who is the owner of Kaido House as well. So I have both the green and the purple models today that I'm going to unbox. So these two are the initial releases that Mini GT has released so far. I have seen that they are going to release another cars with two additional colors. So before we get into the unboxing, I'll quickly give you a walk around of the box. So on the front side you have the car and the manufacturer logos and everything. You can see it's designed by Jun Imai. The body is metal plus chassis, alloy wheels and opening hood, and that's the side. Those are the sides. And on the rear side of the box you have all the manufacturer details, and it also says that this is an official licensed product by the Nissan Motor Corporation. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so let's take the green car out. I must say that these boxes are really nice. They are really durable, and these are not like the usual boxes that you get with the other Mini GT models. Wow. These are pretty awesome looking models. So that's the green color car, guys. You can see the car itself is lowered. You have beautiful rotating wheels with the Advan logo. You have the Kaido House logo on the sides, and various other decals. You also have the designer's name, Jun Imai, and also a heart with the Kaido name printed. So basically that's the front side of the car. You can see how detailed it is. Usually the headlights are done in plastic as well. There we go. It's not properly getting focused. So you can see even the front grille of the car is very much detailed. So that's the other side, and on to the rear side you have the nice looking number plate, as well as the rear lights are also pretty nicely detailed as well. So focusing on to the rear side of the vehicle, it has a nice texture to it, the nice looking luminous color texture. So it says 1971 Datsun 510 used under license. As you saw on the box, it's a licensed product by the Nissan Motor Corporation. Okay, so the rear wheels are slightly broader compared to the front wheels. So if you focus into the interior, you can see that you have a nice looking roll cage with the yellow color painted, and you also have the steering wheel. If you look at the front, you have the Kaido House logo printed on the front windshield as well, and that roller cage is quite nicely visible from the front as well. Right, so let's keep that aside. Let's keep this car here for now, and let's quickly open up the purple color one. So the purple color car, this is the side. Wow, I really like the paint on this one. You can see a metallic paint as opposed to the green color car. This is more of a normal paint, but the purple color has a metallic paint to it. I don't know if you guys can see it to the camera when I basically move the cars. Can you see that glitters on the paint? So that's the metallic finish. So as opposed to the green color one, the purple car has gold alloy rims with the black Advan wheels as well. So that's quite nice. It complements really well with the body color of the car. So that's the front side. You can see it's nicely detailed. Why it's not focusing? That's the front side. Right, so that's the rear side. It has the 510 printed on the number plate, and also it has a 510 decal printed on the rear side as well. The rear side lights are also very detailed, and you also have a sponsor decal or a decal on the rear windshield. And this particular car has a roller cage done in, I don't know what that color is, probably light brown. And you can see even the interior of the car, the seats of the car is done in red color. There you go. So in this car it's basically a black, and the roller cage color is yellow, but this one has the roller cage color which is a lighter brown shade, which basically complements really well with the car's overall paint. So if you focus on the bottom of the car, you also have that luminous looking nice texture to it. You have the 1971 Datsun 510 used under license, and you also have the Mini GT and the Kaido House logo. So the wheels are free moving, which is really nice. Yeah, they're very smooth. Alright, so let's also try to open the hood of the car. This is awesome. Can you see the engine, how detailed the engine is? It looks really awesome. So again, kudos to Mini GT and Kaido House for putting up a beautiful masterpiece with regards to designing these cars. I am thoroughly enjoying these builds. I would highly recommend any collector to basically get their hands onto these models, because these are little gems. So let me keep that aside. Let's take the purple one. Let's try to open it as well. So you can see how detailed the engine bay is. You can see on the green color car, the engine bay is painted in red, but in this particular car, which is the purple color one, it has the yellow paint onto the engine. Overall, I'm really impressed, and this has to be the best model that I have ever purchased from the Mini GT collection and the lineups. So yeah, I'm really impressed, and I'm going to buy the next two models as well that they have. They are going to release in the upcoming releases. So I'm really happy to spend my money on these models. So guys, that's about it. That's the unboxing of the Kaido House and Mini GT Datsun 510 Pro Street models. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you guys will get notified when we release new videos. Until next time, stay tuned.